We're going to start our project today by setting up our paper for weaving. So we have these strips of paper that are cut, and we're going to glue them across this line right here in an alternating pattern. So red, then blue, all the way across. Now I'm going to leave this to dry, and then once it's dry, we can use two new colors to weave a pattern. Now that this is dry, I can pick two new colors that I'm going to weave across. So I'll pick one to start with, and then I'm going to pick up all of the same color and place this new strip of paper underneath. So in this case, I'm going to pick up all of the blue strips first. So I'll pick up the blue here, pick up the blue, pick up the blue, pick up the blue, until it makes it all the way across. Then once we're here, we're going to slide it up to the top, kind of like this. Now, once we get to the other side, we're going to glue it in place. So I'm going to lift up the pieces and put a little bit of glue underneath to make sure that it's not moving around. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Now when I finish with my yellow strip of paper, then I'm going to pick up my green strips of paper, the wefts, and I'm going to weave it underneath all of the red strips of paper. Those are called the warps. So I'll lift up the red and keep lifting up the red all the way across. And then once we make it across, push it up to the top. And then just like before, we're going to glue the sides down. So I lift up that little piece of green paper on both ends and place a little bit of glue underneath. Then we're going to repeat this process all the way down. So we're going to use the yellow again and pick up just the blue pieces of paper, the blue warps, like this. And then again, once we make it to the other side, we push it up to the top as far as it'll go. And then we glue down the sides. And then with our next piece, our green piece, we're going to switch it again and pick up all of the red pieces of paper, or the red warps. Then again, push it up and glue the sides down. Now once we're done with the whole thing, we're going to set it aside to dry so that the next time we come together, we can add some more details.